Hey there, little kids. I'm your teacher, Miss Melon. Kids, do you want to see my super cool tools? These tiny heroes help us fix everything. Now let's meet them all, one by one. First we have a hammer. Kids, that's a hammer. Hammer helps us push nails inside wood to build beautiful things. He's super strong and super careful. And kids, this is how you use a hammer. It's time to meet the screwdriver. Kids, that's a screwdriver. Screwdriver love to twist and turn. They help tighten screws to make things safe for us. This is exactly how you use a screwdriver. Now we have a measuring tape. Kids, this is a measuring tape. The measuring tape stretches long and longer. It helps us measure how big or small things are. You can actually measure lengths of anything with the measuring tape. Here's a wrench. Kids, this is a wrench. Wrench turns big nuts and bolts to fix bikes and machines. You can use it to twist bigger screws. And this is exactly how you use a wrench. And now we have the broom. Kids, this is a broom. You know, after fixing all the things, we need the broom to clean the mess. Yes, kids, it helps us to sweep our floor. We can clean our floor with the broom. And now you meet the gloves. Kids, these are safety gloves. You need gloves to protect your hands while working, because helpers always stay safe. Kids, always wear safety gloves before working. Okay, little helpers, you met all the cool tools today. Now let's fix our tiny house together. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.